Welcome to the Gosch Auto Group. My name is Tim Moran and I am the General Manager for Gosch Toyota, Gosch Hyundai, and Gosch Ford. I'd like to welcome you to our organization and tell you about some of the most specific parts about being a salesperson for the Gosch Auto Group. As part of your welcome package, we are going to provide you with some commitments that we expect from you, along with some commitments that you will get from us. The first thing that's going to be required of you as a salesperson here is to log every up into VIN Solutions. Let me kind of explain a couple things. If you are an experienced automobile salesperson, you probably know what an up is. But if you have not been in the car business before, an up is a common term for an unknown prospect. Everybody that walks onto the dealership, for the most part, is an unknown prospect. We want to get as much information as we can from that customer and be able to log that into our system so we can provide a proper follow-up. So the first commitment you need to be able to make to us is that you will log every customer so we can do our job as managers to help you follow up with the customer so that you may sell more vehicles. Second commitment is you want to properly source every customer. Sourcing comes in two different fashions. The first source is you want to find out if the customer has been to the dealership before. It's very, very important that you ask the customer if it's their first time here or if they've been here before. If they've been here before, as a common courtesy to your fellow employee, we would like you to ask them who they spoke with. If they can't remember who that person is that they spoke with, go ahead and take care of them moving forward. The second type of sourcing is we would like to know how they heard about us today. The most common customer we have is a repeat or a referral customer. But we spend a tremendous amount of money each month advertising on television, radio, newspaper, direct mail, a lot of other sources, internet, billboards. We want to know if our advertising is working. So it's very, very important that you ask each customer what specifically brought them into the dealership today. In doing so, that will probably also help you in landing that person or helping them pick the car that they're interested in. Another type of customer we get is a phone customer. A lot of people will call the dealership first on the telephone and want to speak to a salesperson. It is just as important to log that customer into VIN Solutions as it is an unknown prospect that walks onto the lot. And if I didn't properly explain VIN Solutions in the past, VIN Solutions is our customer relationship management tool. It is an internet-based tool that you will become extremely familiar with. The next commitment that we want you to make is that you will, as quickly as possible, become factory certified. Depending upon the manufacturer that you are working for, Ford, Toyota, Scion, or Hyundai, you will be required to take a series of tests online that will make you extremely familiar with the product and how everything works. Becoming factory certified as quickly as possible will help you in selling more cars and taking care of the customer. There are different levels of certification: base certification, advanced certification, and master. You should strive to become master certified as quickly as possible. The other thing we want to make sure is that we take care of our customers' needs. Total customer care. Customer satisfaction is the key and the core to our business. We will not be able to sustain this business model of selling cars, servicing cars, and then getting them back to sell cars again unless we properly take care of the customer. You as the salesperson are the contact in the face of the dealership. After you sell a vehicle, it's your responsibility to make sure that customer stays completely satisfied. If you determine that in the process after the sale that a customer is not completely satisfied, it is your job, it is your responsibility to seek immediate intervention of management. Management knows how to take care of the customer, assess the situation, and hopefully be able to turn the customer around. We can't make everybody happy all the time, but we can sure do our best to try to fix anything. Also, every customer that buys a new vehicle will receive a customer satisfaction survey from the manufacturer. If you determine that the customer cannot answer that they are completely satisfied in every aspect of their purchase, once again, you must seek immediate management intervention. Much of this business is based on appointments. We can receive appointments in many different ways: friends, family, relatives, neighbors, circle of influence, and previous customers. You want to make sure that you log every one of your appointments into VIN Solutions as well, so a manager can follow up and confirm that appointment. We have determined that if a manager calls the customer and confirms the appointment, the chance of the customer showing up increases by almost 50%, so it's very, very important. We have a very unique opportunity at the Gosch Auto Group called the Inland Empire Auto Brokers. Inland Empire Auto Brokers will allow you as a salesperson to actively maintain an outside sales force that doesn't work specifically for the dealership, but works in sending you referrals. And it's a great program for your friends, your family, your relatives, your circle of influence, once again, where they can earn $250 for sending somebody in that buys a car from you. It's a great opportunity. Your commitment that we need from you is that you maintain at least 2 active Inland Empire auto brokers as quickly as possible. You will soon find out how valuable that Inland Empire auto broker can be for you. Prospecting is a very, very important portion of the car business. Prospecting really means contacting people that have not been to the dealership that you want to try to influence to buy a car. One of the most successful methods that we have found is that if a salesperson makes 20 outgoing phone calls a day to people that are not in their current book of business, of those 20 people, if you work 20 days a month, it's about 400 calls a month, you'll get about 4 or 5 people to come into the dealership and you'll sell an extra 1 or 2 cars a month. And that extra 1 or 2 cars a month could be the difference between being salesperson of the month and being in the middle of the pack. So those 20 phone calls a day are not optional. You need to make those, and we want to be able to help you and train you on how to make those phone calls. But understand that is a commitment that we need from you. Talk about dress code for a moment. You will see in Complete, which I'm sure you've become familiar with, that we have a standard dress code procedure written for men and women. It's very simple. Dress professionally. If you're a male, suit and tie or shirt and tie are optional. We also provide Gosch Auto Group shirts that you can wear year-round. We will provide you with your first 3 Gosch Auto Group shirts. If you want to purchase more, you can. A Gosch Auto Group shirt or a shirt and tie for a male, or a Gosch Auto Group shirt and professional attire for a female are what we expect out of all of our sales associates. The next part of our dress code is this. This is a standard issued Gosch Auto Group name tag. Everybody needs to wear one of these when they're on the property. Real simple. If you are wearing a suit and tie and a jacket, you will place it on your right lapel. If you are wearing a Gosch Auto Group shirt, you just go ahead and place it on your right side. The left side has the Gosch Auto Group emblem, the right side will have your name tag. Should look just like that. Right now I'd like to share with you the 10 steps to the sale. In the 10 steps to the sale, every step within the process is very unique, and your particular manager will share with you how he or she would like you to proceed with each step moving forward. Number 1, a proper meet and greet. Number 2, you want to sell yourself. Number 3, sell the dealership. Number 4, sell the product. Number 5, select a vehicle. Number 6, demonstrate a proper vehicle. Number 7, qualify the customer. Number 8, write up the customer. Number 9, close the deal. And number 10, definitely the most important, is a proper delivery, follow-up, and referral process. As I mentioned, your particular manager will share with you how he or she would like you to proceed with each step. Thank you very much. This is the entrance to the Gosch Auto Group Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center, as well as our car wash. Kevin Atkinson is the manager of this department. You're going to get a chance to meet him in just a minute. He'll tell you all about it.
Hi, I'm Kevin Atkinson. I work at the Quick Lane here at the Gosch Auto Group. At the Quick Lane, we change oil, we wash cars, we do all light maintenance. Hope to see you soon.
This is the service department for Gosch Hyundai. Steve Atkinson is the manager of this department. This is the Gosch Toyota service department. Steve Atkinson is the manager of this department. You'll get a chance to meet him in just a minute.
Hi, my name is Steve Atkinson. I'm the Parts and Service Director for Gosch Toyota and Gosch Hyundai. We're here to service you for your service needs. We have a lot of long-term employees with our company. I started with our company back in 1978, so some 34 years ago. Many of our employees have been here over 20 years. So here to service you, and thank you.
Here we have the entrance to the Toyota Parts Department and Customer Lounge. Mike Burkroff is the manager of this department. Here we have the entrance to the Hyundai Parts Department and Customer Lounge. Mike Burkroff is the manager of this department. You'll get a chance to meet him in just a second.
Hi, my name is Mike Burkroff. I'm the parts manager for Gosch Toyota, Scion, and Gosch Hyundai. I've been the parts manager since 2010. We're currently staffed with 2 master and 3 expert certified parts professionals. We're currently open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and on Saturdays 8 to 5. With one of the largest parts inventories in the area, I'm very certain that we can fulfill all of your parts needs. So come and see us, come visit with us, and I'm sure you'll be completely satisfied with your Toyota, Scion, or Hyundai parts experience.
Right here we have the entrance to the Gosch Ford Service Department. In just a minute, you'll get a chance to meet Tom Fuller to tell you all about it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tom Fuller, and I'm the service director at Gosch Ford. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself and our service department. I've been with Gosch Ford since 1998 and in the automotive industry since 1972. I've been awarded Ford Motor Company's Employee Excellence Award and been involved in winning Ford's Chairman Award, Ford's highest honor. Our award-winning service department has been servicing Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles here in the Valley since 1964. We've been voted one of the friendliest places to have your vehicle serviced by the Press Enterprise and its readers. Our long-standing tradition is we never put money ahead of people. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you in the future.
All right, here's the entrance to the Gosch Ford Parts Department and Customer Service Lounge. Dave Martin is the manager of this department. You'll get a chance to meet him as well.
Hi, I'm David Martin, the parts manager at Gosch Ford. I've been working here since 1993. I've been in the business working for Ford dealerships since 1975. Our parts department is an award-winning parts department. We've won numerous awards in both retail and wholesale. We have 5 parts trucks on the road, both delivering and picking up parts. So if we don't have the parts you need, we can always get it either the same day or the next day. And we look forward to handling your parts needs.
This is the entrance to the Hammond Collision Center. Kurt Root is the manager. You'll get a chance to meet him in just a moment.
Hi, my name is Kurt Root. I'm the manager of Hammond Collision Center here at the Gosch Auto Group. I've been working for the Gosch Auto Group for 15 years. We have many long-term employees, and we have a company that's been in the Valley for over 50 years. And we do work for a lot of major insurance companies, pretty much all the insurance companies that would be here in the Valley. We also have Gosch Towing, which is in the Valley and in Temecula and in Romaland. And we have 15 trucks on the road 24 hours a day, and we're there to help whenever you need us. Thank you.
Located inside the Toyota and Hyundai Parts Department is Loud and Clear. Jeremy Bennell is the manager of this department. You'll get a chance to meet him in just a moment.